Today we've stumbled across a collector in the wild waiting for his package. Hopefully, he's actually ordered it in the first place.
Supposedly my package has arrived and I'm pretty excited about that, so let's go find it. Look at that. That's it. That's the one. Oh my God, there it is. Here it is. Yeah. Open. Why won't you open? Open. Ah! I win. And remember, I'm just like you. I wait for my packages before I even order them too. There's some stuff in there, boys. Where to begin? I don't know. I have no idea what to watch. I'm tempted here, honestly. TV stuff, yeah. Christopher Lambert, that's tempting as well. I have not seen anything here before. Seriously though, what should I watch? I'm leaning, I don't know. I'm gonna watch some of that and I'm gonna report back. And I still have a ton of other stuff to watch. I've got a promise to keep from my last video and to finish out the kinky set, which I intend to do shortly. I even have been watching Harry Potter movies. I'm not sure anyone watching this would care to hear thoughts about them, but I went to Universal recently. I realized I hadn't seen them in so long and I hadn't read the books in so long that yeah, maybe I would revisit them. So what do I think now? And what did I used to think? That's not this video. Maybe that'd be another video. I don't know if that's off topic or not. If you want more dumb videos, someone make a request. Just ask me to, I'll watch anything. Come on, anything. I dare you. I dare you. I dare me. Subscribe. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.